Hey babe. Babe, yung braso ko, wait lang. Nangangalay. Ah. Hey, baby. Uy, okay ka lang? Tahimik mo ngayon ah. Hmm. Halika nga dito. Hmm? Lamig no? Hmm. Lamig naman ng katawan mo. Babe? Babe? Babe naman, don't tell me nagtatampo ka na naman. Ano ba namang, ano ba namang drama yan, babe? Tulog na nga tayo, ano ba? Uy, baby. Babe, kinakausap. Wait, hey, hey, baby, baby, look at me. Babe, okay, this is not funny. Anong, anong prank na naman ba to, ha? Babe, babe, ano ba, magsalita ka. Pinausog lang kita kasi yung braso ko nangangalay na. Just because of that, magtatampo ka na agad. Babe naman. Hey, babe. Ba't di ka sumasagot? Hey, uy, huy, babe, babe gising. Wait, wait. Okay, I got you. I got you. Babe, 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 naririnig mo ba ako? Shit. Okay, okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. Hey. Hey, baby. Baby. Baby, stay with me, okay? Baby. Babe, I'm right here. Babe. Babe, you're okay. You're okay. Babe, kapag ako pinaprank mo, mapipikon talaga ako. Baby, can you squeeze my hand? Kahit, kahit konti lang. Come on. What? Nothing? Alright, we're not doing this here. I'm taking you to the couch. Okay. Ayaw mo kong pansinin, ha? What? Ang gaan mo. There. Easy. Hey. Babe. Babe, please. Babe, gising. Come on. Babe naman. Babe, don't scare me like this. Please. Babe. Hey. There you go. Yeah, hey, hey. Look at me. Hey. Stay awake. Stay with me. Oh my God. Akala ko kung ano nang nangyari sa'yo. What? What happened to you? What? That was... That was just a prank? Babe, hindi ako natutuwa ah. Ano ba? Ba't mo naman ginawa yun? Akala mo ba nakakatawa? If you think it's funny, no, it's not. Babe, I almost panicked kanina. Why did you do that? What? Para tingnan kung may pakialam ba ako sa... Oh my God! Seryoso ka ba? Tingin mo ba wala akong pakialam sa'yo? If wala akong pakialam sa'yo, hindi kita dinala dito sa couch. Nakatulog na tayo kanina eh. Magpa-prank ka lang ng ganyan eh. Akala mo nakakatuwa. Hindi na akong tumawag ng emergency eh. Ano na naman bang kaartihan yan? Hey, hey. Wait, ba't ka umiiyak? Hey. Hey, I didn't mean to make you cry. Babe, ayoko ng away, please. I was just saying na hindi nakakatuwa yung ginawa mong prank, okay? Oh, bakit ngayon parang kasalanan ko na? Ba't babe naman eh. What? You call me nonchalant? Mukha ba akong walang emosyon sa'yo? Ganun talaga yung tingin mo sa akin, ha? Nonchalant? Walang pakialam sa'yo? Okay, stop crying na. I'm sorry. I'm sorry na pataas yung boses ko. Let me rephrase my question. Is that how I make you feel ba? Huh? Pinaparamdam ko ba sa'yo na wala akong pakialam? Kaya mo ba nagagawa to? Because you feel like I don't love you anymore? I don't care about you anymore? Ganun ba? Oh, I'm sorry. Babe. Honestly, I'm still irritated na nang prank ka kanina. But I'm sorry kung naiparamdam ko sa yung wala akong pakialam. That's not true. You know how much I love you and how much I care for you, right? Siguro naman magkaiba lang tayo ng paraan to show how we love each other, right? You're the kind of person, I know that you're the kind of person na sweet, malambing, clingy. And I like that. Well, I show my love in a different way naman eh. Inaasikaso kita. Inaalagaan kita, di ba? I provide for us. I protect you. I make sure that your needs are met. I make sure that you're safe. I make sure na may nakakain tayo dito. Hindi naman sa sinusumbat ko yun. What I'm trying to say is, that's how I show my love and care. And And if that's not enough, help me love you even better. Let me know how can I love you more? Help me understand you. Please. Of course I care for you. Of course I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. I wouldn't be here with you if wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Hindi kita gigisingin, hindi ako magpapanik, hindi kita dadalhin dito sa couch. If I don't really care about you, papabayaan na lang sana kita. But I didn't. Cause I care. Cause you're my love. You're my favorite person. But I just don't appreciate yung mga prank na yan. If you think something's wrong, then you could have talked to me. You could have brought it up sa akin. Hindi magpa-prank ka. Babe, just because hindi mo ako nakitang umiyak ni minsan doesn't mean na wala akong pakialam sa'yo. I know mababaw yung luha mo. And that's fine with me. Ganun ka eh. That's your personality. Ganito rin ako eh. Hindi ako agad-agad umiiyak. But that doesn't mean na wala akong pakialam. Hindi ako sweet sa words. Hindi ko masyadong sinasabi na mahal kita. I always tell you that I love you, di ba? Kulang pa ba? Huh? Okay, yeah, okay. Then, please be patient with me, okay? And I'll do my best na mas maging sweet pa sa words. If that's what you want. I just don't want you to feel na wala akong pakialam sa'yo because that's not true. I really care about you so much. Okay? Mahal na mahal kita. Please don't ever think na wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, what do you want? Are you hungry? What? Gusto mo ba order kita ng food? Maybe. I understand. I understand where you're coming from. It's just that hindi lang din talaga ako natutuwa sa mga prank na yan. Sa mga test na yan. Please don't do it again, okay? Kung may problema man, talk to me. Okay? I love you. I'm sorry din. Yeah. Apology accepted, baby. I'm sorry din. Pasensya ka na. Nataasan kita ng boses kanina. Hindi ka nagugutom? What do you want? You want cuddles? Okay. Okay. Balik na tayo sa sa bed. Okay, sige. Okay ka lang? Alright, I love you. I love you so much. Okay. Yeah. You can sleep on my chest, of course. Of course. I love you. Okay. Good night, baby. Sleep well. Mahal na mahal kita.